Differential equations. An equation of the form dy by dx is equal to g of x, where y is equal to f of x, is known as a differential equation. These equations have variety of applications in physics, chemistry, anthropology, geology, economics, etc. In this chapter, we discuss about basic concepts related to differential equation, general and particular solutions of a differential equation, formation of a differential equations, some methods to solve a first order, first degree differential equation, and some applications of differential equations in different areas. Basic concepts. Consider the following equations. X cube minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Sin x plus cos square x is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 5. And x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. In these given examples, the first three equations involve independent and dependent variables only, but last equation involves variables as well as derivative of the dependent variable y with respect to the independent variable x. Such an equation is called a differential equation. In general, an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. The order of the differential equation dy by dx minus sin x is equal to 7 is 1. The order of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 8 is equal to 0 is 2. And the order of the differential equation d cube y by dx cube plus x square into d square y by dx square plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3. Degree of a differential equation. To find the degree of a differential equation, the differential equation must be a polynomial equation in derivatives. That is, it should be a polynomial equation in terms of dy by dx, d square y by dx square, etc. For example, d cube y by dx cube plus 2 into d square y by dx square whole square minus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is a polynomial equation in y triple dash, y double dash and y dash. Similarly, dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx minus sin square y is equal to 0 is also a polynomial differential equation in dy by dx. Degree of such differential equations can be defined. But differential equations of the form dy by dx plus log of dy by dx is equal to 0 are not a polynomial, therefore their degree cannot be defined. Therefore, degree of the differential equation is the highest power of the highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. Order and degree of a differential equation are always positive integers.